What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Hondata coming to you guys with a brand new video today. Woo! That was good. We're going to Hondata. We're gonna go pick it up. She's finally gonna get tuned. It's been a minute, so we're gonna go pick it up right now as we speak.
As we speak. I'm 23 now.
Yep, yesterday was her birthday, so that's why I haven't been posting in a minute, because we just been kind of having time to each other, and yeah. So now we're going Hondata. We're gonna make cargo.
Brandon forgot to bring you guys along because he forgot, but we're at Hondata now. He just went inside to possibly pick up a unit while he stayed in here. There's a Sicos 11th gen. I don't know. Brandon likes them.
Oh my god, Juan or Doug is here.
Huh?
Juan or Doug is not here. So the guy, so he's one man guy in here. Hours and hours later, we got it. Hondata boys, gang, you know the vibes. On that race, not that car. Sheesh. We're back in the car now. Got it all plugged in. So I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can, because I was confused a little at first about this whole situation. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I'm tired, but got it plugged in. Obviously you want to connect it to your laptop. Obviously it'd be a lot easier if these weren't here. So what you got it all plugged in. Sorry the car's dirty. It has not been driven like a couple days. But you plug in the unit obviously to the computer. It will read it. Please unplug the Flashpro from the vehicle. Okay. Now we unplug it from the car. And then we let it update. Now the biggest confusion that I had, and sorry if I look a little sweaty, is from 2017 to 2019, you do not need the little jailbreaker part, which is, I'm gonna throw it up on the screen here. So yeah, from 2017 to 2019, you do not need the little instant, or not the instant jailbreaker, but the little jailbreaker piece, which is like, I believe like 75 bucks or something like that. You don't need that. With 2019 or 2020 and up, you need that piece. So just a little, like I said, a little confusion part on my end. ECU not detected. Okay, so turn the car on accessory mode. So we'll do that like so. Don't turn the car all the way on. And then we want to lock it to the car. I still don't know how to do this without lock to vehicle. So please, your Flashpro, please register your Flashpro before unlocking to an ECU. So we're gonna register owner. We're gonna register it now. We'll fill that all out. Yeah, so I got the jailbreak up. Now it's jailbreaking the car for me. So this is probably gonna take a couple minutes to do. So I'm gonna let that do that. We're just gonna let it do what it's gotta do, and then we'll finish up after. So we'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys a step, but pretty much all you do is you put like all the parts that you have. So on this car I have the stock map housing, but I have the high volume intake. Now obviously my graded DDR exhaust, and that's pretty much it in terms of power wise, or like a bolt-on wise. So it's uploading something now. It's a lot difficult from when I had the SI, because the SI you can kind of pick plus 3, 9, 3, 6, and 9 in terms of boost. It's a little bit harder on this one. So I'm gonna go back and make sure I got everything corrected and make sure everything's all good, because obviously we still want to run a safe tune, even though it just is just a base map. I want to make sure I got the right stuff on here, so I'm not ruining the car at all. And it's a little hot in here, so but anyways, we're uploading the tune now, and hopefully we can get on the road and get my first thoughts.
What you're doing when you're pulling up to a red light and you look to your left and the Civic has a laptop.
Car's ready.
This is your first time driving?
Yeah. We're gonna see. Just a base map, so I don't really know if it did anything. There's no rev hang, so it feels a lot better.
Already? Yeah.
Yeah, the rev hang's annoying. I didn't realize how dumb it was until it's to help everything. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's emissions. I don't know what is it, rev hang? Emissions and help with like saving the trans or some shit like that. We were been to one.
What's 2 or 3 more?
What's 2 or 3 more? A couple thousand.
Hey on tight.
Ready?
Yeah.
Does it feel faster? Fourth gear felt a little bit faster, or third gear. No, it's faster.
Yeah.
Woo, woo. Oh shit. How much boost is it though?
You wanna race? I'm just kidding. Do you wanna race? How about you? You? Anybody? How about you guys?
A lot faster.
It makes new noises too.
Holy hell. Yeah, the turbo sounds different now.
This is my hair now.
Ready?
Yeah.
Actually feels really good. Holy shit. The last pull for the boys. Come here, bitch. Oh,
You wanna race, mister?
that feels so much faster.
Oh my god.
Turn this off.
Oh.
I don't know how to turn it off. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Now let's start this.
Shit. Dude, third gear. I just want to know how fourth gear pulls.
Feels like the chord now.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Holy shit, she pulls. At first I was like all confused on like like how it was supposed to work and everything like that, because the like calibration and everything is so much different from the SI. But if you pretty much just use the wizard and put all the stuff that you have, then pretty much you're all set. It feels a lot quicker. Can we get more out of this car stock as it is? I'm pretty sure we can. But right now, as the base map says, I am perfectly fine with it. It shocked the living crap out of me. Holy cow. I was not expecting that. I haven't sat in a tune Type-R in a very long time. And from that to stock, it just pulls so much more harder. It feels quicker. The auto response is better. I don't know how much PSI we're pushing, but it felt good. Obviously in the future, once we get like the flex fuel kit and PRL's race map for this thing and everything, intercooler, we are going to run over to Power Metrics, which if you guys do not know, I did run that on the SI, so I am going to be running it on the Type-R as well. Can't go wrong with it. Shout out to my guys Nick and Daniel for just killing it and making that tune for the SI. So now it's time to make the Type-R a little bit faster than what it is. Again, sorry I haven't been posting as much. I'm still trying to refinance the car now. We should be doing that within this month. So within the next couple weeks, and then we are going to be balling out with more car parts. So just stay tuned, man. We're getting there. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We are trying to hit 4K. So if you guys are new here and you guys are like, dang, this guy's kind of lit, well, hit that subscribe button and then we can get it together. You know what I mean? Help your boy get to 4K. We're so close. You know, if you guys have been watching me for a while since the SI, I love you guys so much. You guys just mean a lot to me. So just thank you guys so much. I'm gonna head inside now, edit this video, get it up the same day. You know, like I said, we have a lot of things coming, guys. Just be ready. This is only the beginning of it, so We got some things planned. Don't worry. We cooking up. We cooking up in the studio. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I will see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.